avoid depriving a child of protection.
Du solltest einem Kind den Schutz nicht entziehen.
Amos has 6 different women claiming he's the father of their babies. And he's only 17 years old.
What you call self-disclosure, where you tell a child by telling them about your own life. You know, some things that you went through as a teaching and a guidance to the child. So we call it self-disclosure. You might be telling the child sometimes things of yourself without hiding things. You know, some parents, they like to hide their secrets. When you were 19 years old or 13 years old, when you were chasing boys who were passing through the window and calling you, and you were going. So you have to tell about that again. And this is what I used to do. And because I used to do this one, I end up causing 2, 3, 4, 5 abortions. And therefore, I want you, that's the reason why I've been telling you, don't do that, because you don't understand.
Daughter is throwing her future away. She even admitted to me that she lost her virginity at 11. That's my baby.
I have sex with 4 different boys. I lost my virginity in 6th grade. I wanted to see what it felt like. I don't like just guys. I like girls too. Girls turn me on.
She has a Facebook page and she is posting sexy pictures of herself on that.
On Facebook, I like to put up pretty pictures, classy but never trashy. I like to smoke weed and just get high and just chill.
Yosha has been suspended from school for over 50 times.
Christian psychologists believe that if children are not exposed to godliness, in terms of worship, prayer, and godly fellowships, their spirit and soul get wounded, leaving them unbound, untreated, and unbandaged throughout their growth, which in the adulthood, they begin to show the cracks that were not patched up during their childhood life. Such children, when they become adults, are those who likely go for psychological counseling and they seek for psychotherapy to relieve them of their childhood diseases suffered due to bad spiritual nurturing. Therefore, parents are advised to both feed and nurture their children on 2 levels: natural level by giving them food, and spiritual level by giving them the word of God to feed their souls and their spirit. By taking them to spiritual homes, for example, the church, where they could learn to receive spiritual nurturing and edification for their inner being, which first hungrily after the
I was 12 years old when I first had sex, and it was in an abandoned house by where I live at. I've had sex with 3 guys, and 2 of them I've only had sex with 1 time, but the 3rd one, I don't even know. I sneak boys into the house when my mom's not home. We normally smoke weed or we have sex in my room. When my mom tells me I can't go out, I like to wait until she falls asleep and then sneak out my back door. I normally sneak out at about 12 o'clock and I don't come back until 6 o'clock in the morning. When somebody gets in my face, I usually tell them to get out of my face, and if they don't, then I turn around and start swinging. One time at recess, a girl started getting in my face, so I pushed her face to her.
Some parents still fear that accurate sexual information will cause their children to be promiscuous, whereas the opposite tends to be true. Young teens who lack accurate information about sexuality are more likely to endanger their health and emotional well-being through uninformed experimentation. Now, this is the reason why I show you this, because in the Christianity, it's like a taboo. It's not very interesting for parents to talk about sex with children, especially from this very early adolescent age. Start with me.
Es ist nicht einfach für Eltern, mit den Kindern über Sex zu sprechen, besonders wenn sie in diesem frühen Alter noch sind.
So in that sense, it's like, you know, we are talking about holy things, so it makes it very difficult for you to teach your son or your daughter the right thing about these things.
Und in diesem Alter, unterrichtest du deine Kinder über die Heiligen, über die guten Dinge.
Most of the time, it's not necessary to talk about that, because children if they're below the age, sex doesn't come into the story.
Weil meistens ist es auch nicht notwendig, weil wenn sie in diesem Alter sind, hat Sex spielt noch keine Rolle in ihrem Alter.
But today, you see, we are living in a very dangerous world.
Aber heute leben wir in einer sehr gefährlichen Welt.
So much that even if you don't talk about it, when they go to school, they have peer friends around them who know much about it. They have their PhD in that, they're in a low age there.
Denn sie haben ihre Freunde in der Schule und die haben bereits ihren Doktortitel in diesem Bereich.
When you see these girls, you see these 3 girls, and your daughter is a friend of one of them, automatically they'll open their eyes.
Und wenn du diese 3 Mädchen gesehen hast, die wir zuerst gesehen haben in den Filmen, und deine Tochter, dein Sohn ist eine Freundin zu diesen Kindern, dann weißt du, dass diese ihre Augen öffnen werden.
Equally, the young man, this young man over there, Amos, I mean, a guy who has sins and the parent, look at the mother behind him trying to fight. The guy is doing a bad thing, and the mother is not finding the fault at all, only trying to defend. Very strong defensivism and making the guy feel he's cool. You know what I'm saying? And that is very bad if your son is a friend to that guy.
Und genauso der junge Mann, den wir gesehen haben, wo die Mutter auch ganz stark hinter ihm steht und versucht, ihn zu verteidigen und er fühlt sich einfach cool. Das ist gefährlich, wenn dein Sohn ein Freund von diesem wäre.
Sigmund Freud is a psychoanalyst, and he realized that in his time, in the Victorian era, it was the same, very hard for parents. Today it's even better. But those days, in the school or in town or public, church, you don't talk about sex, even to the adults. So the kids, the girls were ignorant, the boys were ignorant. And he, being a psychologist and a scientist, decided to write on this one in a doctorate way for people young doctors to tell their patients and to tell parents and tell troubled children and to make sure that they will have information about the dangers that will happen if they get into that area so soon in their lives.
Und Sigmund Freud, der lebte zu einer Zeit, wo es auch sehr schwierig war, wo die Eltern nicht mit den Kindern darüber sprechen konnten, nicht so wie heute, wo es einfacher ist. Und deswegen hat er sich entschieden, eine Doktorarbeit, also ein Buch darüber zu schreiben, um den Leuten es einfacher zu machen, dieses Thema auch zu besprechen.
Now, having this knowledge and this experience, I feel that we are living in this 21st century. It's an age of information, and we cannot afford one age just crisscrossing the continents all over the world. I mean, boys, girls, men, women, all getting AIDS. And they get hepatitis and so many strange, sex diseases. So in that sense, you must be able to educate the children to understand. I'll be showing some graphic things that will blow the mind, but that's why we'll do the extra seminar. When I bring the youth there, free of charge, I'm going to do that for you. And then you're going to see pictures about some things that you have never known or seen before. This is something advanced. Parents even will have to learn it and know it. But this is only just a little bit for you to have a taste of it, to know, there are troubles. Apart from the emotional joy that Amos had. Can you imagine when he was with these girls? Everything was cool. And you were checking his swag, so Amos and swag. And the girls like the swaggy. And now when the children came out on the swag, they said, no, nothing. And the mother not bagging. And when the mother was in trouble, he said, we shall take two and leave the rest. But when he was making a swag, the mother was not there.
Habt gesehen, als ihr diesen Amos gesehen habt, wie er seine Art und Weise, wie er sich bewegt hat. Das fand er ganz toll, so dass er 6 Mädchen gleichzeitig hatte oder 6 Mädchen hatte, und als dann die Babys dabei rauskamen, hat er gesagt, nee, das sind nicht meine Kinder. Und seine Mutter hat ihn auch unterstützt und hat dann letztendlich, als die Wahrheit rauskam, gesagt, okay, 2 von den 6 nehmen wir halt.
Boys don't marry.
Jungs heiraten nicht.
Girls don't marry.
Mädchen heiraten
You are a boy.
Du bist ein Junge.
You don't have even a house. You don't even have a sofa. You don't have nothing. You want to marry.
Du hast nichts, du hast kein Haus, kein Nichts.
You are broke.
Du bist pleite.
You are a boy.
Du bist einfach nur ein Junge.
Mama is feeding you.
Mama ernährt dich.
You are eating a fufu bolo, and then you want to go and marry. You crazy?
Du hast nichts und deine Mutter ernährt dich und du willst heiraten, bist du verrückt?
You are a girl. You're not even to the point of. I mean, you are a girl. Bible says that a man shall leave his father, but a man, not a boy.
Die Bibel sagt, ein Mann soll Mutter und Vater verlassen.
He will leave the father and be joined to the wife and become one flesh.
Und eins werden mit seiner Frau und sie werden ein Fleisch
So
sein.
Amos, 17, boy.
Amos 17 ist
High
ein
school
Junge.
boy.
Ein kleiner Junge.
With 6 wives.
Mit 6 Frauen.
6 children.
6 Kindern.
By the time he's 40 years, I wonder how many children he has.
Wenn er 40 ist, frage ich mich, wie viele Kinder er dann haben wird.
Well, that's swaggy. Amos, I wish you invite him here.
Amos, ich wünschte, ich könnte ihn hierher einladen,
To come and make crusade.
eine Veranstaltung mit ihm zu machen.
I have no problem if I should catch him. I'll bring him to come and also sit down there like we saw Samira doing it. Powerful. But this is a lesson.
Aber das ist eine Lektion.
In psychology, we have something called human developmental psychology, which is very important to know about how children, the way they think. You see, the brain of a human being develops to its maximum at the age of 25.
Und in der Psychologie haben wir diese menschliche Entwicklungspsychologie, wo wir feststellen, dass das Gehirn sich entwickelt.
The brain develops to the age of 25.
Bis zum Alter von 25 Jahren.
At 25, the brain stops developing.
Und danach entwickelt es sich nicht
it stops
mehr.
growing.
Es hört auf zu wachsen.
So between your 0 to 25, your brain is developing.
Von 0 bis 25 entwickelt sich das.
At 25, it stops.
Mit 25
It stops
stoppt
growing.
es.
Now you have to make sure that information is only just what we feed the brain with.
Und dann gibt es nur Informationen in das Gehirn hinein.
So when boys and girls at a tender age involved in this kind of issue of sex, lies, stealing, drugs, especially the drugs. The drugs can maintain a kind of a stagnancy in your brain. It will start making the brain shrink. The brain starts shrinking. Instead of growing, it starts shrinking. So some children people can become 40 years, 50 years, but because they were taking drugs earlier, they had what we call developmental arrest. Their brain was arrested. So they think like children, they behave like children. They don't even know what is life and death.
Darum, wenn Kinder, Jugendliche Drogen nehmen oder berauschende Mittel zu sich nehmen, kann das Einfluss haben auf den Wachstum des Gehirns. Dann hört es auf zu wachsen, statt dass die Zellen sich weiterentwickeln, schrumpfen sie zurück. Und deswegen kannst du ältere Menschen sehen, die zwar vom Alter her reif sind, aber immer noch das Gehirn eines kleinen Kindes haben.
And that's why you can see this small girl, 13, 14. If they are taking drugs, crystal metal, they are taking cocaine, cracks, marijuana, they are doing all this stuff, yes, drinking alcohol on top of that, they are actually destroying their own brain cells. They become neurotic, dysfunctional. So they can't think well, talk well. And when such ones grow up and you become adult women and you marry one of them, in fact, troubles all the time. Because the brain was already stopped when they were 14, 16. So now you have a woman who is 35 years old, beautiful, but the brain is small and troubles.
Darum habt ihr, wenn ihr seht, diese jungen Mädchen, wenn sie dann Drogen nehmen, dass es auch Einfluss hat auf ihr Gehirn. Dann siehst du vielleicht, wenn sie älter sind, hübsche junge Frauen, aber vom Gehirn her sind sie immer noch zurückgeblieben.
You will see a man who's a man, but big, strong, but the brain is small. Because the things that happen when you are young, not only drugs, also the way parents treat the children. I mean, there are so many things that can let the brain not grow. It stays stagnant. The body has grown over the brain.
Und dann ist es nicht nur, dass es Drogen sind, sondern auch die Art und Weise, wie Eltern vielleicht ihre Kinder behandeln. Das kann auch Einfluss auf den Wachstum des Gehirns haben.
They can't think for solutions.
Dann können sie nicht denken, um Lösungen zu
When trouble
bekommen.
comes, they are perplexed and frustrated.
Wenn Ärger kommt, dann haben sie Probleme, sind perplex.
That has caused many young men and women to commit suicide.
Und das hat viele junge Leute dazu geführt, dass sie Selbstmord begangen
Because they
haben.
could not think deeper beyond
Weil sie nicht tiefer denken konnten,
the
darüber
normal
hinweg,
capacity to think.
als über diese normale Kapazität.
The Bible has a good news for us
Und die Bibel hat eine gute Botschaft für uns
and for the youth.
und für die
As
Jugendlichen.
written in the book of Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 1, it says, remember now your Creator in the days of your youth.
Dort heißt es in Prediger Kapitel 12, Vers 1, erinnert euch jetzt,
Before the difficult days come and the years draw near, when you say, I have no pleasure in them.
erinnert dich jetzt an den Herrn in deiner Jugend, bevor die schwierigen Tage kommen.
So this is the time
Das ist die Zeit,
not to be taking drugs
nicht Drogen zu
Not
nehmen,
stealing.
nicht zu stehlen
or having sex, promiscuous life.
oder Sex zu haben.
And they call you the neighborhood whore.
Und sie nennen dich die
And I hope
Nachbarschaftshure.
that in our ministry, no girl has a nickname in town. Bad
Ich
nickname.
hoffe, dass kein Mädchen in unserer Gemeinde solch einen Spitznamen
So
hat.
now we're going to sniff in town and say, what's her nickname?
Und jetzt werden wir uns umhören in der Stadt. Was ist ihr
What
Spitzname?
is his nickname?
Wie ist sein Spitzname?
Not that they say he's a thief
Nicht, dass sie sagen, er ist ein Dieb
or he's a 419
oder 491
or any other name that is not fitting into these godly activities we do here.
oder nicht passend in diese göttlichen Aktivitäten, die wir hier machen.
And of course, at this age,
Und natürlich in dem Alter.
why can't you wait?
Warum kannst du nicht warten?
And when you're married,
Und wenn du verheiratet bist,
beautiful done, you can stay with a man forever.
die hübsch gemacht ist, die Hochzeit, dann kannst du mit dem Mann in Ewigkeit
Why
bleiben.
do you start so early
Warum beginnst du so früh,
to destroy yourself?
um dich zu
Because
zerstören?
your friends are doing.
Weil deine Freunde das
So
tun.
if you don't do it,
Und wenn du das nicht
you are
tust,
not cool.
bist du nicht cool.
If you don't do it,
Wenn du das nicht tust,
they don't want you.
wollen sie dich nicht.
They don't want this kind of a special Peter in the house.
Sie wollen nicht diesen besonderen, dieses Bauerblümchen zu Hause.
Apostle Peter, whatever.
Apostel Petrus.
They don't want somebody who tries to play holy.
Sie wollen nicht jemanden, der heilig
So
versucht
for
zu
you
sein.
to join that group,
Und damit du Teil dieser Gruppe bist,
you must do what they do.
musst du tun, was sie tun.
Dress the way they dress.
Sich so kleiden, wie sie
That's
kleiden.
called the peer pressure.
Und das nennt sich Gruppenzwang.
But if you are a sensible young girl, a young man,
Aber wenn du ein sinnvoller, ein Mensch bist, der einen Sinn hat,
who can think
der denken kann,
and you can analyze
und du kannst analysieren
and you can distinguish
und erkennen,
between what is good and bad,
unterscheiden
what's
zwischen dem, was
right
gut
and
und
wrong.
schlecht ist, was richtig und falsch ist,
then you will say, I like you
dann kannst du sagen, ich mag
as
dich
a friend,
als
but
Freund,
I don't want you to control my brain.
aber ich will nicht, dass du meine Gedanken kontrollierst.
I do what I believe is right.
Ich tue das, wo ich denke, dass es richtig ist.
Moreover, I'm a child of God,
Ich bin außerdem ein Kind
and I
Gottes
want to live the life of
und
God.
ich möchte das Leben Gottes leben.
No, if you don't do that,
Wenn du das nicht tust,
even if you're a good boy or
auch
girl,
wenn du ein guter Junge oder
your
Mädchen
own
bist,
friends will help you to become stubborn, even to be disrespectful to your parents and to everybody around you.
dann werden deine eigenen Freunde dir dabei helfen, dass du widerspenstig wirst, auch deinen Eltern gegenüber und jedem anderen um dich herum.
And these girls,
Und diese Mädchen,
when we meet them in town,
wenn du sie in der Stadt
they'll be
triffst,
the same. They don't respect their parents at home.
Sie respektieren ihre
So they
Eltern
won't
nicht.
respect no parent outside.
Und sie respektieren keine Eltern außerhalb,
Until they find themselves in incarceration.
bis sie sich wiederfinden
Incarceration in prison.
im Gefängnis.
And this is also here in this country.
Und das ist auch hier in diesem Land.
So in the course of time,
Und später,
after many good advice,
nach guten Ratschlägen,
we will activate that.
werden wir das
When we
aktivieren.
find out some young boy, young girl is a little stubborn and you don't, okay, then we'll just bring it that the party is over.
Und wir finden ein paar widerspenstige junge Leute, dann bringen wir sie und dass sie wissen, die Party ist vorbei.
So you will learn a lesson.
Sodass du eine Lektion
There are
lernst.
laws.
Es gibt Gesetze,
You can't break it.
die kannst du nicht
You
brechen.
don't have to break
Die
it.
darfst du nicht brechen.
But for the meantime,
Aber in der Zwischenzeit
we expect
erwarten
that we
wir,
have decent boys and girls,
dass wir anständige Jungs und Mädchen
especially in this
haben.
house.
Besonders in diesem
And we
Haus.
want to pray that the whole Bremen,
Und wir beten in ganz Bremen,
boys and girls,
Jungs und Mädchen,
growing up
die heranwachsen,
from their adolescent age
von diesem jungen Sein
throughout their adulthood,
bis in das Erwachsensein,
will be decently respected and handled in the city. That people will respect them.
sind dezent und werden respektiert.
Nobody will call you with a funny name.
Keiner wird dir einen komischen Namen geben.
Adult will see you and know that you are intelligent, you are going to school, you are learning, you respect your parents, you respect everybody around you, you respect even in the church, you respect everybody. You are so lovable, you are so loving, you are kind, not stubborn.
Die Erwachsenen
Not
sehen
evil.
dich und sehen dich, dass du jemand bist, der lernt, der sich anstrengt, der respektabel ist, jeden anderen respektiert.
Some children grew up in a house where the house is already dysfunctional. Parents were not correct.
Einige sind aufgewachsen in einem Haus, wo es bereits Schwierigkeiten gibt.
I mean, so parents could not act as good models to
Und
them.
so konnten die Eltern keine guten Vorbilder sein.
So what they learned in the house,
Was sie zu Hause
because
gelernt
their
haben,
first teachers are their parents.
weil ihre ersten Lehrer sind die Eltern.
They will take the same outside.
Dasselbe nehmen sie hinaus.
So stubborn in the house,
Widerspenstig zu Hause,
rebellious,
rebellisch,
they bring it out.
und das bringen sie raus.
But out there you are going to be punished.
Und draußen da werdet ihr
Because
bestraft,
all parents are not the same.
weil nicht alle Eltern sind gleich.
And the law there is not for your house.
Und
The law is not the one in your house.
das Gesetz dort ist nicht das in deinem Haus.
So if you don't respect your mama and papa,
Wenn du deine Eltern nicht
don't
respektierst,
think I won't respect somebody outside there.
dann denke nicht, ich brauche auch niemand anderen
Because
respektieren.
there's a consequence.
Weil da gibt es Konsequenzen.
But in this sense,
Aber in diesem Sinne
parents must be advised before you are going to punish a child.
müssen die Eltern beraten werden, bevor sie ein Kind
Next
bestrafen.
week I'm going to give some details.
Nächste Woche gebe ich da Details.
Certain details that will help the parents to understand what they need to do and what children need.
Bestimmte
To try.
Details, was die Eltern wissen müssen, was sie tun müssen, was sie versuchen können.
And I hope that it will balance some equation there.
Und ich hoffe, dass es da einen Ausgleich gibt.
And I will also tell you what God says in the
Und
Bible.
ich sage euch auch, was Gott sagt in der Bibel.
Parents should do
Was die Eltern tun sollen
and what they should not do.
und was sie nicht tun sollen.
And what God says
Und was Gott sagt.
children should do
Was Kinder tun
and
sollen
what they should not do.
und was sie nicht tun
So we
sollen.
shall put psychology on one
Wir
side
werden die Psychologie auf die eine Seite
and we'll
tun
put theology on one
und
side.
Theologie auf die andere.
And you can let you fly with it.
Und dann könnt ihr damit fliegen.
I hope that this has been much a moment of information.
Und ich hoffe, das war ein Moment der Information.
Bible says at this time,
Die Bibel sagt, zu dieser Zeit,
this 21st century,
im ersten,
age,
21. Jahrhundert,
wisdom and knowledge is what will form our stability, that will build us up.
formt Weisheit und Wissen unsere Stabilität.
Foolishness won't work.
Torheit wird nicht funktionieren.
We can't live in illusion.
Wir können nicht in Illusionen leben,
Not to just be speculative about issues.
dass wir nur spekulieren über Dinge.
God wants us to have revelation concerning His mind for families that He has permitted them to live on this earth.
Gott möchte, dass wir seine Gedanken bezüglich der Familie verstehen.